The light of the Quran, a message for every heart. In a world filled with noise, confusion, and endless distractions, there exists a voice, timeless, pure, and divine. It's the voice of the Holy Quran, the speech of Allah, revealed as mercy and guidance for all of humanity. The Quran is not just a book of words, it's a living light, a rope of hope, and a path to peace. It speaks directly to the heart of every believer, reminding us that no soul is forgotten, no tear is unseen, and no prayer is unheard. When you open the Quran, you're not just reading, you are listening to your Creator. Every verse has a purpose. Every word carries a message meant for you. The Quran teaches us truth when the world confuses us. It heals when the heart feels broken. It gives direction when life seems lost. Allah says in the Quran, "Indeed, this Quran guides to that which is most upright." Surah Al-Isra, verse 17:9. This is the miracle of the Quran, a book revealed over 1400 years ago, yet it still speaks to the modern heart no matter your language, culture, or age. When you recite the Quran with sincerity, something changes within you. Your worries feel lighter, your purpose becomes clearer, and your heart starts to glow with faith. That's the power of the words of Allah. So, let's not just recite, let's reflect. Let's make every verse a light in our lives, every page a step closer to Jannah. Dear brothers and sisters, this channel, Sakinul-Ferdaws, is created to remind us all that divine connection, to help you feel the peace that only the words of Allah can bring. Together, we'll explore Quranic lessons, short reflections, and spiritual reminders to strengthen our faith and find serenity in a chaotic world. If your heart seeks peace, if your soul seeks meaning, then you're in the right place. Subscribe and let's walk together on this journey of light, the journey towards Sakinul-Ferdaws, the tranquility of paradise.